Come with me as I use this phosphate test on my pool water. So I already have one of the strips taken out, and then I have the empty vial that I'm going to fill up with this pool water I have in my cup. So we're going to fill it right up to the line at the top, and then we're going to put the test strip into the vial, and you're supposed to fold it between the two sections of the little like foam things that are on there, and then put it inside of the vial. Now it does get kind of hard to take them out, so I'll show you how I take it out in a little bit. So you're going to put the lid back on, and then you're going to flip it up and down and let the air bubble go completely to the top and to the bottom, and you're going to do that for 5 full rotations, top to bottom. So once you do that, you can see that the color starts to change, and this is how you can tell how many phosphates are in your water. So once you finish with that, you're going to take out that little test strip, and then you're going to use the color of the water that's left to determine how many phosphates are in the water of your pool. So I use these little tweezers to pull the test strip up a little bit because I can't ever get my finger into the vial to see. So I'm just showing you here how you can see that the water has changed colors, but in order to actually use it with the bottle, you have to take the lid off, and then you're going to compare the top of the tube to the little color chart that's on the vial, or the tube that the whole test comes in. And then you're going to compare to which one on that chart matches the water when you're looking down at it. So my phosphates are pretty high, so you can see it's kind of hard to see it from this angle, but it is kind of one of those last two colors. So it's somewhere between like 1500 and 2500, but I would say probably the darkest of the options when we're actually looking from the top down. So sorry you can't see that actually in the video, but you know, you just kind of compare and see where it's at and get that really good indication of how many phosphates are in your water. So I hope that helps to see how to run the test.